Hey. I have to shave the beard.
God.
You're the only reason I've had this beard for this vlog.
Oh my God.
So fragile. Why would you do this to me? Oh my God. You still haven't taken a fucking shower? I'm gonna beat your ass. This what you were doing? No!
Wow.
Baby, I did something.